is a civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Hurricane Center. Hurricane Martin, a Category 3 hurricane, is about to make landfall around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. This includes portions of southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, southeastern Florida, and southeastern North Carolina. Residents are now advised to evacuate until the hurricane decreases and becomes a tropical depression. Again, this is a civil emergency message for the following southeastern portion areas: Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, and North Carolina. To evacuate, bring all your supplies, radios, food, and drinks to keep you alive while evacuating. Do not wait.